Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to print shipping labels from WooCommerce at 2026. Okay, so to do that you will need to go with the left hand menu right here on the WordPress dashboard and over on the WooCommerce, and after that just go ahead and click on the settings on the pop-up menu, right? So just click on that option. And after that, I do really want you to go and click on the shipping option or section on the top of the website. So then just scroll down a little bit and click on get started right here on the WooCommerce shipping. Alright, so click it. And after that, just go ahead, select your country and region, for example, the USA, the address, the IP code, and the city or the state, and then you will be forwarded into the step where you can install the WooCommerce shipping, and you will need to link store to WooCommerce, okay, and connect it to the WordPress.com account also, and that's required. After you finish, just go ahead and click on save. And to print labels, after that you will need to go and over again on the WooCommerce on the left hand menu and go to the orders section. Right here you will need to open an order and click on create shipping label and choose package size and weight and shipping service, and then just pay and print label as a PDF. Okay, so labels auto attached to the order and tracking number added automatically. Okay, right, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.